Okay, let's do LeetCode number 2000 reverse prefix of word in JavaScript. This is not too bad of a problem. It's an easy. What they want you to do is find a letter in an input string and then take that letter and everything before it, reverse it. So let's do that. So we're going to use a for loop for this. Okay, so we'll write some notes as we go. Loop through the word. Oops, we're going to need curly brace there. That. Okay. Then we need to check to see if we're finding that target character. So the CH, this is the target character we're looking for in the word. So what we want to do is we want to see if the character that we're on is the target character. Okay. So if it is, then what we can do is we can do some slice magic to do some reverse work. So first thing we need to do is we need to get the prefix. So we'll use word dot slice, and we'll go like this. So we'll slice off the prefix, and then we'll get the rest of the word. And we need I plus 1. Remember that slice takes in numbers here. So, so it takes in the numbers of the array. So that's what we're doing here. Passing in, this is a number, right? Word.length, the rest of the, how long the word is. This is where we're at in there. And the reason it's I plus 1 is because I right now is 1 behind where we need to be. So, okay. In fact, we can log that if you want. Okay, so you can see we have 2 actually, so 3 and 6, because this is our word, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. It's where we're at, but we actually need this to be plus 1 to get it. Okay, so then we have the. Okay, so now we have the prefix and we have the rest of the word. And then what we need to do is we need to reverse the prefix. So let we can just take the prefix here and we can split it like that. And reverse it. And then we can join it so it's a string again. So that's how we're going to reverse the prefix. And then we just need to take the we just need to take the reversed prefix right here and tack on the rest of the word like that, and then return it. And at the very end of this, there's an additional instruction. If the character doesn't exist in a word, do nothing. So let's say we run through this whole thing. Word I never equals this target character. We never find the target character. We can just return the word. That is the do nothing. So let's write out a few more notes in here. Okay, let's run this, make sure I don't have any typos in here. Okay, and let's submit it. Cool, awesome. We'll go back to the description so you can take a look at this. And this is a bit of a sliding window pattern. The window isn't dynamic. It only ever starts at 0, and it never moves from there. But this is a sliding window pattern. It slides from 0 up until we find the prefix. And it's because it's the first occurrence. That's why that's the check that makes it stop just at the 1 and then at the first letter here. So we slide this window from here to here, then reverse it. So this is a sliding window problem. Anyway, that's it.